What's up everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video I'm going to show you in ClickFunnels how to link ClickFunnels to Mailchimp. To do this, obviously you're going to need a Mailchimp account, which I believe is free, and a ClickFunnels account. So once you have those two things set up, then you're going to want to go to your ClickFunnels account and go to the top right and scroll down to Account Settings. And then you're going to see this page pop up, and on the left you're going to scroll down to integrations, and then you're going to click on add new integration and scroll down to Mailchimp. Now it's warning me because I already have a Mailchimp account set up. That's no problem for you. Shouldn't give you that warning. So the first thing, just enter an integration nickname. This is just for your uses only within ClickFunnels. So you could say, Mailchimp business name or Mailchimp list. So that's fine. Now the next thing we're going to need is called an API key, and the API key is kind of a secret password from Mailchimp. To let them know that you are giving permission to this external app. So only you should have access to this API key. And so when you put it into another service, it's basically telling Mailchimp, hey, I'm giving permission to this service to use my Mailchimp information. In this case, ClickFunnels, to be able to access your, send emails on your behalf and also sign people up for your email lists and stuff like that. So we're going to get that API key. So you're going to go to your Mailchimp account, click on your account logo over here, go down to account. And then in extras, you're going to go to API keys. And it should list the API keys that you have created so far. If you haven't created any, then just go ahead and click create a key. And it's going to give you this really long string of numbers and letters. And copy that, and then go back here, paste it in the API key box, and then click add integration. And that should connect your ClickFunnels and Mailchimp account for your account wide. Now the next step is on every form, whether that's an opt-in form or an order form, anything that you want to connect to Mailchimp, you're going to have to select that connection for that page in the funnel. So let me show you what I mean. First, you're going to open the funnel that you want to open. In this case, I'm opening this test funnel, which you can see here. And so you're going to open the funnel, and then you're going to look for the page that you want to integrate with a particular Mailchimp list or form. So in this case, it's this opt-in page, the first step of the funnel, and we're going to click edit page. And each page in ClickFunnels can be linked to one list or email service provider. So this page we're going to connect to our Mailchimp list. So we're going to go to settings and then integrations. And let's just assume you haven't connected anything. So it's going to look like this. We're going to click select integration and look for your Mailchimp account. I have a bunch of different accounts connected to my ClickFunnels account, but you might only have just the one Mailchimp. And then we're going to click select integration. And most of the time you're going to want to choose add to list. You might want to remove from list, but most of the time, most people are going to want to add to a particular list. So these lists are ones that you already set up inside Mailchimp. So you'll have to do that if you want to segment, your people giving you their email into different lists for different interests or whatever. And then you're going to select the list. I've only got one here, so I'm going to select that list. And now it says connected. And if it doesn't, have your list on there, you can click refresh list from API, and that will bring the lists, your Mailchimp list, into ClickFunnels. Now the last step here is to send a confirm email or don't send a confirm email. That's going to be a choice that you make as a business owner. whether you want people to have to double opt in to confirm that they really want to be on your list, or if you'd rather send them emails even if they didn't double opt in. They still opted in the first time. They still gave you their email address. So they are, giving you permission to follow up if you explicitly say that on your form. But you might not want to send them an extra step. That's where you make this choice, the confirmation email here. Then you click save and you are good to go. So if you have any questions about this or any other funnels or ClickFunnels or email related questions, then go ahead and drop them in the comments below this video. If you haven't yet signed up for ClickFunnels, I do offer some bonuses and training and some priority support, if you will, for people who sign up through my referral link, which you can find a link to below this video, to a free trial of ClickFunnels, or go to salesfunnelnomad.com/bonus. And even if you do have a ClickFunnels account already, I'd love to connect with you and learn more about your business and see if we can help each other. And I also have some other affiliate links and offers to services that I think could help your business. So feel free to check those out, salesfunnelnomad.com/bonus, or just check the links below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another video.